the basket. Or he's just chewing on that. He's brushing his teeth on it.
Go on.
It's quite strong, isn't he?